Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about applications of an embedded system. So, what are the applications? The various application areas of the embedded system are used. Coming to the application, the first one is automotive electronics. The first application we are using in the embedded system is automotive electronics. First application is automotive electronics. The embedded system are used in anti-braking system using an ABS anti-braking system. In the automotive application, the first one is anti-braking system we are using, and the conditioning, air conditioning, and the GPS system, global posting service system. In we are using the majorly the automotive applications we are using the embedded system, braking system, air conditioning. Already you know the air conditioning AC systems, and the GPS global position system GPS using the latitude values identification. We are using the GPS. We are using the GPS system. These three are the major applications of your automotive electronics you are using in embedded system. So coming to the next one, and next application, the application number 2 we are using in aircraft electronics. Using aircraft electronics. So in aircraft electronics, embedded system are using in pilot information system. Majorly in aircraft electronics we are using the pilot information system. So pilot information system is the communication between the pilot and the control room. Pilot and the control room. Pilot and the control room, that is the flight control system. That is example is flight control system. So the flight control system is using for the controlling of the flight, flight starting time and the flight at reaching time. Based on all these are the controlling, some controlling commands. If any emergency situations, how to send the commands to the pilot to the controlling station, as well as control station to pilot. Based on this communication purpose in aircraft electronics, we are using the one of the application of embedded system. So coming to the third one, telecommunication communications. So third one is telecommunications. The embedded system are used in telecommunication. What is a communication? Communication is defined as the transfer of information from source to destination. Source to destination. Basically, the telecommunication means the example for the telecommunication we are using this technology is mobiles. Nowadays we are using the mobile phones. What is the need of mobile phones? To communicate the to transfer the information from source to destination. So mobiles, already you know the mobile applications. Number of mobiles also increases. First generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation. Nowadays the fifth generation also is coming in future. 5G. Nowadays up to you are using the fourth generation of the mobiles. So mobile communication also be increase. Mobile communication also, and the telecommunication of the mobile as one of the application of an embedded system. So this application was developing in nowadays also. So it is a regular development one application in the embedded system. So this is also one of the most important application we are using in nowadays. So coming to the next one, the fourth application of an embedded system we are using in trains. So fourth one is the trains. Whereas the embedded system are used in the safety measures in the trains. We are using in the majorly we are using the application is safety measures in trains. What are the safety measures you have to take? The communication. This is also trains also using the telecommunication module on the trains. With what the train tracking system in the same track. What is the distance of the two trains? Any opposite trains are coming or not? So everything. The example is a safety measures. Safety measures. In the safety measures, trains are using safety measures. So this is one of the application of an embedded system in the trains. So coming to the next one, the sixth, the fifth next application we are using is medical systems. Next one is medical systems. In the medical system, embedded system are using much medical equipment. Much medical equipment. In the medical system, we are seeing the digital X-ray. Example is we are using application is digital X-ray. Nowadays, everybody using digital X-ray, ECG. So all these are technology in displaying system of pulse. All these are using in the medical applications. Majorly the medical systems application, the mostly nowadays the embedded system are using for digital X-rays and ECG and displaying of a pulse and the counting of a pulse and the patient monitoring also. Nowadays the technology is increasing, the patient monitoring also using. These are the one of the major application in embedded system, that is a medical application. The next one is a sixth one, another sixth one is a robotics. Robotic applications. So next one is the robotics. So embedded systems that play a major role in the designing the mechanical parts of a robots. Designing the mechanical parts of a robots. This is using designing the mechanical parts of robots. Designing of a mechanical parts of a robots, we are using these embedded system playing key role. Designing of a mechanical parts means this is using for some sensor interfacing circuits. Sensor interfacing circuits, we have to see in the sensor interfacing circuits majorly where the embedded system are using. So in this robotic application also playing the key role. So next application using in embedded system is military applications. Military applications. Embedded system are used in the military for information processing. Majorly using for information processing. Information processing in the military areas. If any theft is coming to any coffee is crossing the border, like the border crossing communications and the safety communications, some critical safety communication information is passing through that area to your control area. So this is a major application using in military application nowadays, that is in very badly improving technology in the military applications we are using. So next one, coming to the another application, that is consumer electronics. Consumer electronics. So consumer electronics, the embedded system is playing a vital role in the day-to-day home needs. So day-to-day home needs, nowadays day-to-day home needs are everybody using the smart, like smart mobiles and smart TVs like that. So is that the each every part they are using the embedded system, such as examples VCD players, DVD players, TV, washing machine, micro ovens. All these are the examples of consumer electronics. The consumer electronics application that playing the vital role in embedded system, So next, so coming to the next one, the next application we are using, that is office automation. Office automation. Office automation. So in an office automation, Embedded systems are used in office automations like scanners, printers, some smartphones, etc. These are the examples of office automations. Nowadays, office automations are very nowadays that is improving the technology. So automatically on and off light on and off system, the fan and on and off system, all these are implemented in office automation system and embedded system. So in this office automation application, also embedded system is playing a very vital role. So next application we are using is banking and finance. Banking and finance. In banking and finance. So in the embedded system is playing a vital role in the banking and finance scenario. That is an example for share market. We are using the technology share market. Share market increase and decrease in the counting values in every where you are using the embedded system application. Next one, ATM centers and cash deposit machines. Next one, book printing. In all these applications, the embedded system are using. So that is about the banking and finance application. The next application we are using is instrumentation. Instrumentation means signal generators. Example where you are using that application is signal generators. Power supplies and signal processors. We are using the embedded system technology, and signal generating, the power supply units, automatic power and that systems, and signal processing. So digital signal processing are using digital signal processing and electrical conversions like that. So we are using this embedded application. So coming to the next one, the next application we are using embedded system is entertainment. In entertainment application we are using embedded system are using in entertainment application. Example, video games. First one is video games applications. Next one, smart toys. Smart toys, Mindstorm, etc. These are the applications we are using the entertainment application model. Video games. Nowadays everybody using the video games with 3D, 2D technology. Now 3D games also coming in that one. And next one is the smart toys. Toys with us playing with it. Last and final application module is the security application. So this is also playing a vital role nowadays. Security applications. The embedded system are used in security applications in the identifying of the theft and identification of any bank robbery conditions like that. We are using in face recognition technology. Face recognition technology, using the face recognition technology, and alarm system, buzzer alarm system, fingerprint recognition. All these are the applications using in security domain. So these are the major application areas of a embedded system. The embedded system are using in automotive electronics, aircraft electronics, telecommunications, trains, medical systems, robotics, military applications, consumer electronics, office automation, banking and finance, instrumentation domain, entertainment domain, and finally security. So up to the 13 applications we are using embedded system domain. So already say majority of the applications everybody using in the daily life also. In the consumer you are using the TV remotes and washing machines everybody is using. In the mobile telecommunication mobiles also everybody using embedded security application, fingerprint identification systems are using. Entertainment domain also video games are everybody seeing every day. So these are the major applications of a embedded systems. It's, thank you everyone.